Alright, y'all. I am here to do another cleaning, and it involves the cat tree, since that hasn't been a thing in a while. Figured I'd go ahead and do this, because, well, you know how it is. You get access to a new area, you want to go ahead and do that. And, if I had a bagless machine I could use right now, because as we all know, the one shark needs to be cleaned up, but there's one machine I haven't used in compact mode in a while, and that's the Avalir. Well, I haven't used really any of my Kirby's like this in a while. So, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and show the conversion, which takes little to no time. Well, it takes little time when you just putting the hose on and all that. Well, little time when you're using two hands. Alright, we're ready. So, I am going to use the zip brush. So, let me go ahead and get that out. We're not using the compact handle. I would show that, but that'll take a lot longer for now. Because, again, it takes a lot less time when you're using two hands. So, let's go ahead and get the tension off. And let's get started. We're going to start without it to get into little crevices because the design of this. So here we go. We're going to start at the top. Alright. Now there's a lot of dead bugs in there that could call for possible crunch, so here we go. Yeah, there's a lot more hair than I thought there'd be. Yeah, there's quite a bit of hair on here. Oh, I see a lot of spiders. Hopefully they're dead spiders. Well, they will be now. That's still spinning down. Yeah, still quite a large amount of hair. Let's see how long this takes to spin down. Because it takes quite a bit of time. It's still spinning down. Yeah, these zipper brushes, they do take quite a bit of time to spin down and finally stop. I guess they're designed with a gyro whatever kind of design. But yeah, at least they tend to be a bit easier to clean than some of the other turbine tools that some machines offer. Like these, you just have to pop the rest of the brush off, and there's the rest of the tool. I will clean this after the video because it takes 2 hands to yeah, that's right. It takes 2 hands to do that. You gotta hold the turbine and all that with one hand and the hose with the other. But yeah, they are easy to clean. A lot easier than some of these, because these, well, these aren't very good to begin with. And these, in order to clean these, you gotta remember to keep track of your little belt and all that. But in the end, Bissell turbine tools used to be good, but not so much anymore. Sorry to anyone who likes these new turbine tools from Bissell. I'm gonna say that the Shark tools are a lot better because they don't stop as easily. But yeah, and these aren't as hunky-dory as some may think I'm making it out to be, because you got all of these tiny grooves for the air path, and we can see there's a little bit of blockages here, one right there and one right there. So while these are easier to clean, and we can see why they had to make them easier to clean, they're not as they're not out of the woods with a slight complaint there either. So let's go ahead and put these back in here as I do my outro. So yeah, tell me how you liked it. Tell me what y'all want to see. I'll see what I can do, how I can do it, when I can do it, and if I can do it. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications for more content if you haven't already, because I will be doing more videos. Like, we'll also be doing mess tests as well pretty shortly. And if you want to see any of that, like I've already got a request from That Vacuum Geek here on YouTube, who I'm sorry, if you could remind me what it was. Like, I know it was something about a Bissell. I know you wanted to see the Siren Fury here, but unfortunately my ears can't really handle it right now. So yeah, I'll find some earplugs and probably do it. And I think I did locate the grate, but I'll have to see if it fits, and if it fits, it's the Phantom one. If it doesn't fit, then it's not the Fury, the Phantom grate. But anyway, yeah, until next time, y'all. Bye.